My first slide, I will have a colorful font to get the learner's attention to start teaching them the concepts of 3D objects. I have a picture of all the different 3D objects, shapes inserted. To test those learners that have knowledge of 3D shapes, I have a question ready by asking if they can name any of these shapes. On my second slide, I will just have another question to children that will definitely spark interest about 3D objects, about what 3D objects are about. I will then have a simple question to spark the interest more and to find out if there are any knowledge of a pyramid. And then on my third slide, I will start with my 3D objects and the characteristics of them. And then in bullet point form, I will start with a pyramid with 5 faces, 8 edges, triangle and square face, and that a pyramid is a square based pyramid. And here underneath I will have a little fun fact for learners that starts with, did you know in Egypt there are 118 pyramids that were built thousands of years ago? And on my fourth slide, I will start with the cube. That the cube has 12 edges and that all the edges have equal lengths, and the cube has 6 square faces and that all areas of the faces are equal. And here underneath I will also again have a little fun fact that starts with, no objects shaped like a cube are known as Rubik's Cube and it dies. And here I will have a little picture inserted with the Rubik's Cube that is also like a known toy. And then on my slide, I will have a cylinder. I will start with a cylinder have 2 faces, 1 surface, and a cylinder also have 0 edges. And here underneath, I will also have a little fun fact again, that cylinder sides are not flat, but the sides have curved shapes. And I will have a picture inserted with different objects you found around the household, like a soup can, a toilet paper roll, that's also a cylinder, a candle, and a Pringles can. And on my slide, I'll have a little video inserted to have the learners up and going, maybe. And then yeah, just for visual, I will tell them again that there are more 3D objects and shapes than what we just seen. And on my last slide, I will show them that what 3D objects we will explore later on.